Welcome back, everyone, to a new video. Now, today I'm going to be messing around with this thing. I don't know what it's called. It's a soundboard or PanicTech Net. It is probably this dumb, MLG thing, all this crap. Oh god, yep. Volume down a lot. Really? I'm going to do something called ear rape. Oh my god! Oh, absolute ear rape. Try this. Gain all the way up and then drive up a tiny bit. Look at it. Oh gosh. This sounds so weird. Try this. No. 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 Why? Oh god. Why? Wait. Oh, it is. Yep. No.
Oh, baby, a triple!
I know that one.
Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
Good. Oh gosh.
Damn, son, where'd you find this? Damn, son, you just hit with the wow effect.
You were just hit with the wow.
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that in the history of Dota! No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that in the history of Dota!
In the history of dumbass? Nope, I've already seen that one. Oh my god. Yeah, this has made me hate Skrillex. What the fuck's wrong with Humble? Oh. Did I just hear what I thought I heard? I thought I heard, Wombo Combo, and then I heard Happy Feet. Oh god, why?
Shots fired! Tactical milk incoming!
Okay. This was just supposed to be a short little funny video, and it was absolute cringe. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys enjoyed, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.